Welcome to 204-119 Halliburton right here in Nanaimo, a slice of paradise on Vancouver Island. I'm Josh Wood with the Seize the Day Group and Real Broker, and prepare to be captivated by this ocean-facing corner unit offering a lifestyle like no other.
As you step onto this deck, you'll notice panoramic views that extend as far as the eye can see. This wraparound deck is not just a place to relax. It's an oasis, a stage where you can savor the mesmerizing views of the Pacific Ocean and experience the rhythm of coastal living.
Let's explore this amazing ocean view kitchen. It's a culinary delight, equipped with these sleek quartz countertops and a 4-piece stainless steel appliance package. Whether you're an aspiring chef or someone who enjoys whipping up a quick, easy meal, this kitchen is ready to inspire your culinary creations.
But this property contains more than just a fantastic deck and a dreamy kitchen. Let's continue our journey. The primary bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort. Set on the ocean side, it allows you to wake up to these awe-inspiring ocean vistas, and then step into the luxurious ensuite where every detail has been meticulously designed to provide a spa-like experience.
This second bedroom is just as impressive, making this condo perfect for families, guests, a home office, or a media room.
Now let's take a moment to appreciate the surroundings from this common area rooftop patio. This remarkable location offers more than just an incredible living space. You're just steps away from the seawall, marinas, shopping, world-class dining, and excellent transit options.
Designed with walkability in mind, this home is located within walking distance to downtown amenities. Hullo Ferry Terminal, Helijet, and float plane terminals are all close by. If life takes you to Vancouver, you can get there with ease.
204-119 Halliburton is more than just a home. It's a gateway to coastal living at its finest. Every morning, you're greeted by the ocean's gentle waves. You have an impressive deck to entertain on, and you can also make culinary magic in your dream kitchen.
Don't let this opportunity slip away. Contact us today to make this the next chapter in your life's adventure. To line up a viewing, reach out to your agent, or you can reach out to us. All of our contact information is on our website at seizethedayGroup.com.